Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to change the unit of measurement in Preferences. Let's try it together. Enter the interior interface, move the mouse to the avatar and select Preferences. In the Preferences interface, select General, Unit. The Settings column shows your current unit. The units can be selected in millimetre, metre and feet. Select the unit you need. After successful setup, the units in the base parameter of the floor will change. At the same time, click on the Import 2D drawing, Import Floor Plan Pictures. After successful import, select a scale ruler. The scale ruler will show the set units. That's all. Thanks for watching.